Hello, welcome to Brilliant Entrance. We are here to help you materialize your dreams of becoming world class engineers or highly proficient doctors or technical staff. At Brilliant, we believe that concept based learning, together with practice and stress management, will help you cross the bar and achieve high scores in your entrance examinations. For a better understanding of these entrance tests, I will brief you on what these entrance tests are about. NEET, JEE, both national level entrance test. NEET, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, is for aspirants for entry to MBBS, BDS, Ayush, other than AIMS or JIPMER. The test includes 180 questions, each from physics, chemistry, and biology. 90 questions from biology and 45 questions each from physics and chemistry. Students who have secured 50% marks in their physics, chemistry and biology are eligible for this test. Each correct answer gives the student 4 marks, while a mark is deducted for every wrong answer. Coming to JEE, which is the Joint Entrance Test, entrance examination for aspirants for entry to BE and BTech courses in IITs, NIITs as well as IIIT. The test includes 90 questions, 30 questions each from physics, chemistry and mathematics. Students securing 50% of marks in physics, chemistry and mathematics are eligible for the JEE main entrance exam. 4 marks are allotted to each right answer, while a negative marking is there for every wrong answer. The duration is for 3 hours, and those top scorers for the JEE main are eligible for the JEE advanced test. KCET, which is the state level examination for students who have done their education in Karnataka from standard 1 to standard 10. Students who are securing 50% of marks in physics, chemistry, mathematics as well as biology is eligible for this test. The test includes 60 questions from biology, mathematics, chemistry as well as physics. There is no negative marking for KCET, and so it is comparatively easier than the NEET as well as JEE. Like I said, at Brilliant we concentrate on concept-based learning, as well as we train the students for time as well as stress management. All this is done through our AI-enabled online platform, Brilliant Entrance app. This is an interactive platform, an interactive learning platform where the students are exposed to more than 10,000 concepts and over 700,000 interconnections. Students gain access to numerous test series, chapter-based test, topic-wise test analysis, full test, as well as custom test. The students have access to a numerous number of questions, which will make them capable of attempting any competitive entrance exam. An advanced feedback test is given after every test. A student is able to get a self-analysis of how much time he or she has spent on each question, which are their strong concepts, which are their weak concepts, which are the topics they have to work upon to improve their scores in their entrance. Overall, the online platform gives them a complete access to all the data, all the concepts that is required for their preparation. In addition, the test gives them a complete analysis of how they can improve their performance. This also enables the mentor, us at Brilliant, to give a personal care for a student so that he or she can improve in their test. This year we have some additional courses in our basket, which includes the integrated course from standard 9th and 10th. This will definitely increase their scientific concepts, which will be very useful for their PUs. In addition, we have our new venture starting in Kerala, God's Own Country, that is the NEET coaching for BSc nurses.